Welcome back, guys, CryptoFly channel. Today we would like to talk only about Ethereum in this video. Let's dive in. First of all, guys, I highly recommend you, if you have time, go and check the big video what I posted today for BTC. You can watch both of these videos to understand what's going on in general with the market. Maybe also I should post the video about stablecoins dominance and what's going on with stablecoins now around why the USDC, USDT printed a lot of billions stables, but they not inflow into BTC or any alts, even the Ethereum. I think they will. Everything going by plan. So everything should go by playbook, by main purpose of the elites, and everything will happen in the right time. So just be sure. Let's start with the global charts of Ethereum. So this one, and I would like to show you by end of this video with the indicators. So keep in mind, this is a global chart, crypto, ticker Ethereum USD, crypto. So it signs first candle, it's a weekly time frame, August 15. Also, just quick note, everything what you need to know about the crypto experts, right? Crypto gurus. When some guy randomly accumulate by luck or just because he joined this industry earlier than you, and they accumulated Ethereum at $1, at $5, and they made millions, right, in the crypto, it doesn't mean they are smarter than you. So it's just a quick note, because a lot of people just joined the crypto field earlier than others, right? And act like they understand something about the market. They don't understand the macro. They don't analyze the geopolitics. They don't understand the situation in the countries, right? Inside the countries, but they talk like an expert, right? A lot of accounts, I remember that accounts when we traded here in COVID dump, what they talk about, right? So I remember when everybody here screaming, the regulation wanna rip the crypto, the BTC, and all of that stuff, everything going down. So I remember a lot of posts about Ethereum should drop to 400, I guess, this one target, because of, and million times, and the posts why they explain it, why we should dump so low. The same story they posted, BTC can't drop lower than the previous all-time high. The BTC can't hit new all-time high before the halving, right? So everything just a nonsense. So follow your plan and don't listen to all of that crypto gurus. So I would like to show you just charts, not so many like on a BTC, right? This is absolutely the same chart what I shared with you, I guess, in 2022. So nothing changed personally for Ethereum. I don't think so. We are already hit the top for Ethereum sooner or later, guys. So this is a weekly time frame. These actual highs will be swept. So it's just a matter of time. Yes, you can say we already swept. No, guys, it's just a liquidity pool, and sooner or later we're gonna sweep this high. The problem with the timing, guys, only the timing we can't know. So this one. And also we can track now the Trump and the family and the people around the Trump accumulate Ethereum. And of course they accumulate not to buy high, sell low, right? No, of course not. So they accumulated previously, they accumulated now. And I think it's just a matter of time when we will see the new all-time high for Ethereum. But my take is I don't believe in Ethereum over than I don't believe in Ethereum 10K this cycle. Of course, it's just my personal opinion about this token, guys. We can go even to 20K. It's just numbers, right? But you have a plan or you don't have a plan. So you follow your plan or you just browse random videos and trying to find some expert in the guru who will tell you the future. Don't listen to me or don't follow my ideas. You have to build your own plan, what to do with your own money, guys. All information, what I share is just the information, just personal for you to like additional info what you can use for your own analysis. That's it. So the FIB, the charts absolutely relevant, all targets relevant. So we just track. We not redraw the charts a million times just to pretend to be right. No. So this was the top. This is 27 block. We pump it. Hold the line at 23. Capitulation, guys, the same story, the same block. It's still accumulation zone. So that's it, guys. So we are still in a downtrend, right? Because we not hit the new all-time high. Sol already hit. I don't think so. The Sol is a Ethereum killer or so. No. Some tokens pump it faster, some slower, right? Some later, right? XRP is hitting new all-time high, sweep the new all-time high. It doesn't mean the XRP is better than Ethereum. For me, all of that assets is just a speculation, just a speculative asset. So nothing special, guys. So my take is, and this is not a top for Ethereum, everything will be okay with Ethereum, but time to buy Ethereum was here. And now, if you wait 100% profit, for example, you can try accumulate now, for example, up to your own risk. And my take, so we can hit this one 6K825 and 9K991. Around this area, a lot of people will add limit orders to sell at around number 10K, and the orders can be not triggered. With potential drop to sweep this low, like 35%, potential drop to even zero level again, 1K700. I don't think so it will happen. I don't think so we will drop again to 2K800. So my take is I'm more bullish than bearish for alts, and we got a lot of reasons for that. It's not because I'm in altcoins. So guys, I invest that money, what I don't need for a living now. So it's investment. Investment can be like on a distance for 2, 5, maybe 10 years. Yes, I can freeze my money. It's kind of bad, right? But what we can do? We can do nothing. We just invest or not. So that's it. For intraday, of course, we trade inside a day. So that's it. The targets I showed you. Next step is going to be this top. So sooner or later, I guess we will see some hype, some news about Ethereum, so blah, 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 all this stuff. So it's good. So I think everything we will see in the next 4 months. So it can be the story like top, then correction, bounce, and not new all-time high in autumn and going down to the bear market. Can we go to 10K? Of course we can. Can we go to 20K? Of course we can, guys. It's just in theory. I just share my ideas. At the end of this video, I will show it on the global chart, how it's playing out on history, and what we can see next. If we talk about Ethereum BTC, sooner or later, guys, all of this drop will be filled at least 50%. My take is around 0.07. This one I already explained to you with take profit indicator. So here I wait the test of 0.067 now, maybe exit line 0.076, this one. So I don't think so. We will hit a new high on Ethereum BTC pair. Now on weekly time frame, we are not so far from this low. So it would be good to sweep this low. It will be much, much better. But we can see even the bounce from this current prices. So I add alerts, I track everything. Monthly time frame here, we pass it by line on the monthly. Take profit on the monthly is 0.065. This is what we can see for Ethereum BTC. It's about the BTC dominance also. So would be good to see this drop, just to be honest. Fundamental value of this trading pair is 0.024. Just to be honest, guys, if we will drop to fundamental value, it will be even worse than COVID dump for altcoins. But what we can do? We can or take an action or not take an action. We can control only our deposit, only our money, or only our actions. We can't control the Ethereum or we can't control the BTC. So that's it, guys. So you buying alts now or not? You buy Ethereum now or not? So it's only your decision. Also, I would like to show you the interesting data. I never analyzed it before, but looks interesting because this is Ethereum dominance. And would be good to see the test of buy line on Ethereum dominance on a monthly time frame. I add alerts here. So it's 10% and 22. So this is what I would like to see. Of course, if we will drop, and one day we will, it can be hard drop for BTC dominance can pump, Ethereum dominance can dump, and we can test it. But anyway, guys, we can't drop forever down. We can't pump forever up. So that's the point, guys. We have to understand we can't know the timing. So that's a deal. And also the big problem for the Ethereum maxi. If you think that Trump accumulated Ethereum now, it's not necessary. So they will pump Ethereum now. The big players, they don't care about the timing. I already explained it to you. So they got a lot of money for a living. It's only us, the retails. We chase the money now because we joined this market because we need the money. We want to make money on this market. The whales, they accumulate it and can wait 2 years because the risk reward, it's crazy. Let's take a look. So with the targets, you knew everything. Let's take a look with indicators on the global chart. ADZ, I can't show it on this chart because it's a crypto. In general, direction market mode. Let me show you ADZ on Bitstamp. Bitstamp almost like crypto. So we can use, I guess, the Bitstamp. So it's identical, right? Here, top. Basically similar, right? So it was like August 15, and here's also the August 15. All right. So what we can see on a weekly time frame here, I already showed you here. It was a crazy accumulation for Ethereum. So somebody accumulated Ethereum at 1K so aggressively. We never seen this before. Also, that time period on a weekly time frame, it was a capitulation, around 27 blocks. So you can tell me it's random, but no, it's not. Got it. Here was a time to fix profit from Ethereum. Here was a time to accumulate, time to buy in the capitulation zone, time to accumulate and buy on December 2022, January 2023, pump. Still not hit new all-time high. We come down a little bit. So now it's like positive around the trill, but zero apria for Ethereum. And no signal to sell like it was here in March 2024. So you could track everything by yourself if you use this set. Months time frame, guys, take a look. We should, I guess, form the warranty. This one, more straight. And going higher to this top or this top. So this, what about Ethereum USD based on ADZ? I want to see the warranty. Also here, this is Ethereum top. We're not even close to that level. You can watch today's video about BTC and understand where the BTC now, if we compare with previous cycles. So also not signal to sell on direction on monthly time frame. Money power. Also take a look. The early guys distribute their tokens on the monthly. 1, 2, 3, 4 months in a row they distribute it. So the same story can be in this cycle also. 1, 2, 3, 4 months in a row they distribute it. And take a look, not exactly at the top, because they need to fill their orders. Also 1, 2, 3. 3 months at the top they distribute it and we dump it. It was every side there is the warranty. Can be that this is the top, of course, guys. Of course, I can be wrong. I just follow my plan. I just share my ideas, right? We can drop again, for example, to this low, form the global double bottom in the next 2 years, and only in 2028 pump to the 10K. Yes, it's possible. But I'm more about the 3 drives pattern to the top on a monthly time frame. But we'll see. Nobody knows the future, guys. So this is what about money power. Money power on the weekly also. Now, what is good, what is bad? So the accumulation was here. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks in a row accumulation. 1, 2, 3 weeks in accumulation. Distribution. So it's kind of bad. Now we are at the 3K200 without any new money inflow. So it's kind of bad. Take a look. The trade on the monthly. Sell, buy back, pump, sell, buy back, sell, no new signal to buy back. So it's kind of bad. Also, what I don't like on Ethereum, looks like we build this support line. I'm not a fan of all of that support lines, but what if we can drop again to the, I don't know, till October 2025, to 2K400. Is it possible? Yes. Is it necessary so we should drop? No. We can draw the trend line like this one also. So here, for example. So touch, fake out, touch, we can drop again. Basically, and based around seasonality, no makes sense. But we can. So all of that lines, guys, it's just in theory, right? So we can form like this, move and bounce. Or we can drop below, reject, and going down, forming the global double bottom. Also possible. So guys, it's just in theory. We can't know the future. We can't know what to do now. We just take an action or not. So take a look. The last indicator is, let's take a look also on the weekly. So it's alerts, some alerts for when. Take a look, sell, buy back. No signal to sell at the high. So the main signal to buy was here. Last indicator, guys, it's really important. Take profit. Take profit, and you can track how it played out in history. But the bad case scenario, guys, the buy line on Ethereum now it's 1K777. So it's kind of bad. Can we drop? Yes, we can form double bottom. It will be the crazy capitulation for all altcoins, for all industry, and the next 2 years, I guess, we will be in crazy depression. So let's be real. But if we compare with the BTC, if we compare with Sol, for example, I think the Ethereum lagging. Monthly time frame, yes, we trade way over exit line. Buy line on the monthly, it's 1K and 24. We didn't test here we tested the exit line. So now it would be good to see the continuation. And only after this top, going down to the buy line in the next bear market. So now, guys, a lot of bearish signals, but a lot of bullish also. Here, take profit line for Ethereum now. It's 4K500. Exit line is 5K and 100. So the same way, it's a buy line. It's 2K293. For my wallet, it's 1K692. My take is like conclusion. I think the top will be around 6K800, all-time high for Ethereum, and only after that, April, May, we will see the downtrend. I can be absolutely wrong. I just share my ideas, guys. You have to follow your own plan. So this is my idea for Ethereum and Ethereum BTC and Ethereum dominance. So guys, all charts, maybe I will post in TradingView. Some of the charts I already posted, so you can track the idea on TradingView before. So guys, I hope you like this video. Write us in a comment, what do you think about the Ethereum? Is this a top end of cycle or not? If you would like to trade with my custom aggressive or showed in this video, just write me a DM, subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.